Rydeen 360 degrees Tombo 360 is basically like a dash cam on steroids. So I'm gonna show y'all a lot of the features with this install, and this bad boy a game changer. Alright, so in this particular application for the Tombo, I took out the factory mirror. So I'm replacing the whole mirror. It comes with the bracket. It comes with the bracket for you to replace the mirror. So I'll show y'all everything. It's a monitor mirror. This camera here is 360 degrees of view, as you can see. And it's also got reverse camera. Put it in reverse. Alright, so now you see it reverse. So yeah, this thing got a lot of features. You can change the view of this front camera to like 3 or 2 different cameras. So a lot of options. Go back to that, but it's recording. You can stop the recording whenever you want. Look at your recordings. Matter of fact, let me do that. Show you that. So here is a list of stuff you're recording. You can even flag stuff when you're recording by hitting this lock. So just see, say you see an accident or something like that, you hit that bad boy and it's gonna flag what you was recording. Then you can go back in your recordings and pull up that. Okay, and this thing got plenty of other features, but one of the most important features is proximity sensor. Proximity motion sensor will detect someone or something near the vehicle when the vehicle is off and start recording. Come on now. Come on now.